Take a long hard look, guys. This is the last time you're gonna see it not running, and I assure you that because it's my mission to bring this thing back to life. So at this point, what we're worried about so far is the thermostat housing not sealing properly. So if you can see, it's very badly pitted around this edge, and this is the mating surface that actually pushes up against the O-ring against the thermostat itself. So we're gonna try to repair this. And as you can see, the intake manifold and the valve cover and the thermostat housing itself has been powder coated very nicely. If you missed this episode, or should I say upload, you go ahead and click the link right here and it's going to take you to that prior video. And the video before that, I show you when I first did this and we went over the E12 in general. At this point, the biggest headache that we're going to encounter, to be quite honest with you, is going to be the electrical, because as you can see, the fuse box has been messed with and we're not really sure what relays go where because we don't really know much about the M30. But we're gonna do our learning, right? And we're gonna figure it out. That's what we do. All right, Beamer Bros, as you can see, it did not go well. It is turning over really well, but we're not getting any fuel, and the combo relay is going crazy. It's clicking a million times a minute. Clearly we have an electrical fault, or just some fault that we just haven't gotten to. So we're gonna give this a once over. We're gonna make sure that we can verify that everything's supposed to be where it's supposed to be, and then try again. But it's gonna be it for this video. Please stay tuned for part 2. I'm sure you guys are eager to see if this thing starts or not. Please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Take care, guys.